What's up, guys? Welcome to HomeCraft Cocktails. Cocktails you can be able to come up your home. My name is Briss, and as of this recording, my birthday is this weekend, July 30th to be exact. There's going to be plenty of activities, festivities that I will surely be in pain from after the fact. So to help alleviate some of that, for today's cocktail, we'll be going over the Painkiller. The Painkiller was created back in the 1970s by Daphne Henderson, who was the owner of the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands. The Soggy Dollar Bar got its name from the fact that you had to swim up to sit at the bar, so obviously your dollar bills would be wet. The Painkiller is typically made with Pusser's rum, which is a recreation of the British Royal Navy rum that was issued to sailors up until the year of 1970. In the 1980s, the Painkiller would actually be trademarked by Pusser's. With that trademark being in place, you can still make a Painkiller with any rum you choose when you're at home, but if you actually see a Painkiller on the menu at a bar, it should be actually made with Pusser's specifically and nothing else. This is actually very similar to the Dark and Stormy, which has to be made with Gosling's Dark Rum, which actually went over in my 2-ingredient cocktails video that I uploaded prior to this one. So if you want to go see that video, be sure to check it out. Now with that brief history lesson out of the way, let's get down to actually making the drink. So first we're gonna start by adding ice to your shaker. Then you're gonna add 2 ounces of Pusser's rum. Next we'll do 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Then you're gonna do 1 ounce of orange juice. And you're gonna do 1 ounce of cream of coconut. I've not used this cream of coconut in quite some time, so please bear with me. Then you're gonna shake vigorously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Next, you're gonna fill a hurricane glass with crushed ice. And then you're going to strain your mixture over your hurricane glass. Ooh. Okay, I might have put too much ice in here. It's too thick. Jesus. I'm sorry, this is like the most non-smoothest this has ever gone in life. What's the opposite of smooth? Rigid? This is very rigid right now, for sure. All right, so finally after that catastrophe of a straining, we're gonna put some ground nutmeg on top for garnish, as well as what would be a pineapple wedge, but I'm instead gonna do a pineapple leaf with an orange wheel. Because I'm not about to buy an entire pineapple just to get a wedge for this one drink. I'm not doing that. Actually, let's do a orange slice instead. I like that better. Got some nice ground nutmeg, bought from the store. You can also actually, grate your own fresh nutmeg, but I'm not doing all that. Now you can just buy some for $5, which I can use later anyway. We have a pineapple leaf. Then lastly, a straw. And there you have a Painkiller. So actually, I just realized that this microphone was not even recording audio this entire time because of a mistake that I made. So I'll probably just end up using my regular phone's audio for this video. So yeah, there's that. Anyways, we have our drink now. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's good. That's really good. That's really fucking good. So first off, if you're a fan of pina coladas, or pina coladas I should say, you will like this drink a lot. It's essentially the same drink, but you're just switching out the lime juice in a pina colada for orange juice in the Painkiller. Other than that, they're largely the same drink. So they're just cousins of each other. Aesthetic wise, the drink does look very nice. Obviously, like I said, I didn't use a pineapple wedge, and instead I used a pineapple leaf with an orange slice. I still used the nutmeg for the garnish though, so I did stay true to the recipe for that. But yeah, the drink just looks nice, you know. I mean, anything that's tropical looking, that's in a hurricane glass, you know, it's almost always gonna look nice. You know, it's pretty much, it's hard to mess up. I do like that the nutmeg has an aroma to it, actually. You know, it just has that nice, like spicy, earthy smell that kind of like adds to the experience. But yeah, it's just a well-rounded drink to look at. If you're one that wants to experience a beachy drink during the summer, Painkiller is definitely the wave. It will get you just right. And it might also be good for hangovers. Like if you went too hard the night before and you're trying to, you know, do the whole hair of the dog trick, this is definitely a good contender for that. And before we wrap up this video, I want to say that in addition to my birthday being this weekend, I will also be one of the presenters, as well as I'll have my own, you know, little bar set up where you can buy drinks from me at the Pusser After Dark Brewing and Distilling event on Thursday, August 10th, right here in Columbus, Ohio. It's gonna be an amazing event. It's gonna be my first time actually crafting cocktails in front of any sort of live audience. So I'm definitely, you know, excited, a little nervous, but definitely excited for that opportunity. So yes, by all means, feel free to buy a ticket to that event, see me there, you know, buy a cocktail or two, or buy the cocktail pass, which gets you 8 drinks as well. So, you know, you have some options there. For those who are unaware, Pusser After Dark is 21 and up only. So if you are trying to bring your kids, unfortunately you cannot do that. But for those that want to get away from kids, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So there you go. Either way, it's gonna be an amazing, amazing event. You know, just learning about different science exhibits, learning about brewing, distilling, mixology, and how the science works in all of those different junctures. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching this week's episode, and I'll catch you next week for the next round. Peace.